another video. Starting the day off at the car wash. We got the E36 out, but right after I wash this car, I have to bring the E92 and get that washed too. We're in a huge rush right now. My homie hit me up. He's a huge photographer in Seattle. He's coming down to Cali. He hit me up super last minute and he's like, I'm in town. You want to shoot tonight? So I had to do it. A cool thing is though that we're gonna have both M3s out. I want to shoot both of them together. Maybe have like rolling shots of both of them. I think that'll be so sick. But that also means I need to wash both of them because they're both super dirty. This one's filthy, as you guys can tell. The E92 is even worse. And I'm sorry if I'm talking in such a rush because I'm literally in a rush right now. I need to be there before sunset. But yeah, I'm super hyped just to have both of the M3s out on the street. One of my homies is gonna come and drive this car. I'm gonna drive the E92 and maybe even get a little race going between them. I know you guys have been wanting to see that. I want to see the difference too. All right guys, one down, one more to go. Let's get this thing dried, hurry up home and get the other car. All right guys, we're in the E92 now. I got the homie behind me in the E36. I love cruising with these cars together. It's so freaking sick. Huge shout out to my homie Michael for coming last minute. I told him, bro, I have a photo shoot to get to and I need someone to drive my other car. So he came to my house, hopped in the E36, and now we gotta get this car washed. All right guys, another car wash. Different car wash and a different car. I don't think I've ever washed two cars in one day. Sick ass Michael. All right, both the cars are washed. Not bad for like $1 car wash. It was like $5, but pretty clean. Both the cars are pretty clean except for my wheels. These things are still dirty. I need to actually like deep clean them. I'll probably do that at the photo shoot spot. But we're about to go grab some food and then go meet up with the homie to shoot the cars. I'm so hyped guys. It's just so fun to cruise with both of these. Look how sick that is. Damn! I love that car so much. Putting gas in two M3s is no joke. I spent so much money. I think last weekend, those two car meets and everything I did that weekend, I spent like $250 on gas in one weekend. It was freaking ridiculous. This M3 wastes the most gas. It's a V8. I literally put $60 of gas on Saturday, $60 of gas on Sunday. Freaking insane, dude. Alright guys, we're on the way. It's so clean. We're going to Azusa Canyon, a little bit of a canyon run. It's gonna be pretty sick. I'm just so hyped to have both these cars on the road at the same time. It's literally the best to see your own car driving on the freeway. It's freaking sick. Hey, the E36 kept them for a little bit. Alright guys, we made it. What is that, dude? Oh my god, we just pulled up to this photo shoot spot. Michael, what is that, dude? Oh my god, dude. How is this fool driving it like that? Bruh. Dude, this dude's driving it with the hood. Hoodless, bro. No hood on the car. Big old turbo just sticking out. Brandon, you gotta shoot this, dude. Look who's here. Watch this media, bro. We made it to the photo shoot spot. About to take some pictures. Watch this media. He came from Seattle. Drove all the way down. I think it's like a 20-hour drive or something. Freaking crazy. But he's here and I'm the first car that he's gonna shoot. First cars actually. Because I got both the M3s out. I think Brandon's shooting my M3s and this FRS and that Corvette's getting shot by a different photographer. We just happened to meet in the same parking structure. Damn, this thing is insane. That shit is freaking crazy. Bro, you can sleep on the wing. There's a wide body kit, wheels, chassis mounted wing, and the best part is the engine, dude. I can't even believe that. This turbo is huge, dude. I don't know how to show you guys how big it is, but like, It's bigger than my hand. What? Is that Trev? Oh, we got a whole car meet now. And guys, keep in mind, we're in California where they get mad about exhaust being a little loud. And look at this thing. Oh my God. Trev, do you see this? I need this on the E36, bro. This exact engine into here. I don't think a hood would fit, bro. There's no way. The turbo is already, it wouldn't fit, bro. A hood would not fit. All right, guys, time to roll out. This is gonna be sick. We're not cruising with these guys, unfortunately. We're probably gonna see them in the canyon anyways, though. We're all going to the same place. Damn. This is actually the first canyon run with the E36 too. I'm not driving it though, sadly. But hopefully Michael's enjoying it. That E36 handles really good. I'm sure it's super fun to drive into the canyon. The E36 does look good though. Going up the canyon. That's so sick. Shooting huge flames probably. Oh shoot. Trev almost spun out. Unless he meant to do that. Guys, this is a sick little canyon run. Super chill. Nothing too crazy. And my car sounds so good in these canyons. Oh shit. Dude, look how good that looks. It's literally the perfect time to shoot this photo. It was fun or what? How's the handle? Good? Is everything?
Handle's good. Like the left side rubs a little bit because it's tight.
I know,
right
dude. It is low.
Right turn, it'll rub right there.
It looks so sick from the front. Like looking in my rear mirror.
Like
yeah, bro. Brand new. It was fun though. We might have to trade on the way back. Time to take a rolling shot. He's about to be hanging out of the van, risking his life. It is gonna be kind of sketch because we are on a 2-lane road. So Michael is gonna have the E36 on the opposite side of the road. Kind of scary, but this is gonna be so scary. He's crazy. Look how crazy this is. Oh my goodness, dude. Alright guys, well we did some rolling shots. Those things are gonna look so crazy. Woo! This is gonna be a sick ass photo. I could already tell. We met up with these guys again. The crazy Corvette and the FRS. I can't get over this thing, dude. How much horsepower do you think this is making? What do you think, Trev?
I mean, it could make 1,000.
It probably could make 1,000, dude. That's a big turbo.
He said he's only on 2 pounds.
It's a huge turbo, dude.
325/30.
Holy shit.
285.
285 in the front. I don't even have that on my M3 in the back, dude. Master at work right here. Dude, that's gonna be such a good photo, dude. I can already see it. Oh my god, he's dipping. I want one. This is such a sick location, dude. We got the sunset creeping in. Oh my. Dude, that's crazy. Damn. He's smashing, bro. You can still hear it. This thing is beautiful. This is the exact Ducati that I want, to be honest. Just red and everything else blacked out. It looks so sick. Alright guys, we're done with the little photo shoot. Now it's time to go back down. I feel like I'm getting more sick and more sick being up here, dude. We're gonna change cars, so Michael's gonna drive the E92. I'm gonna drive this. I've never driven this car on a Canyon, so this will be my first time. Alright guys, here we go. I'm gonna drive the E36. I'm pretty excited. I've never driven this car on a Canyon, so it should be fun. Oh my god, this car handles so good. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I think this handles better than the E92. This thing just grips the floor. Oh my god, this thing is so sick. The E92 is so loud. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, dude. That shit is insane. I've never noticed how loud my E92 is until now. I never get to see this car driving. It looks so good. I love that car. I don't think I've ever seen it driving. Alright guys, and we're back home just like that. Both the cars in the garage. And today we found another issue with the E36. I want to show you guys before I end today's video. So I don't know if I pulled the door handle too hard or what, but this door handle is completely broken. It doesn't do anything. It just wiggles here. It's loose. I don't think it's catching the latch that's in here. I know a lot of you guys watching probably know exactly what I need. So if you guys know what I need or what I need to buy, if I need to buy anything, there's probably like a little lever in here that I can fix. I don't know. If you guys know anything though to help me fix this, comment down below, help me out, because I don't know what to do. This is really annoying. The door handle just doesn't work. What I have to do to get out of the car, I have to roll down the window, stick my hand over and unlock it like this. Kind of a pain in the butt. So I need to fix this ASAP. Shout out to Brandon, Watch This Media. He's a freaking beast. These photos are gonna come out so sick. I already know he's an amazing photographer. Make sure you guys go follow him, Watch This Media. Homie Watch This kills it on rolling shots. That's what I was super hyped about. We did rolling shots of both of them, and then we did separate ones. You guys will see all those pictures on my Instagram, @FindingNick. Smash the like button, subscribe to your boy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25, I'm thanking God for letting me see him.